In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself with Google to accomplish a task using Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a business or simply keeping track of personal finances, Zoho Books is a powerful tool that can make your life much easier. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Zoho Books. This will bring you to the main page where you'll need to log in to access your account. If you're not yet registered, simply follow the easy sign-up process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your Zoho Books dashboard, which is the central hub for all of your accounting needs. Now that we're on the dashboard, our next task is to move to the section that's most relevant to today's tutorial. In this case, it's the Sales section. So go ahead and locate the Sales tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once you find it, click on it to expand the menu. This will reveal several options, including invoices, estimates, and most importantly, customers. Click on Customers, which is where we'll focus our attention next. Once you've navigated to the Customers section, you'll notice the layout changes slightly, showing you a list of your current customers. At the top, there's a button labeled New, which is for creating new customer entries. However, what we're interested in today is importing a list of customers. For this, direct your attention to the three little dots located next to the New button. Click on these dots to open up a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the Import option. This will lead you to another submenu where you'll choose Import Customers. This feature allows you to upload a CSV file of customer information, which can save you a considerable amount of time compared to manually adding each customer one at a time. Make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly, following the guidelines provided by Zoho Books to ensure a smooth import process. Once you've selected your CSV file, you will need to map the data fields in your file to Zoho's database fields. This ensures that all of your customer information aligns correctly with the corresponding fields within Zoho Books. After you've confirmed everything looks good, proceed with the import. Depending on the size of your file, this could take a little time. And just like that, you're done. If you followed along, you should now have successfully imported your customer list into Zoho Books with ease. That concludes our guide for today. Remember, mastering these tools can be vital to your business efficiency, allowing more time for other important tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.